Let's draw this coupling base in front of us. Our dimensions are in inches, so we're gonna come here. We go new English standard inches in UNISA create. Here we're gonna go on sketch. Now we're going to start with a slot. Okay, so here is my slot. Okay, there's my first one. Then here comes my second one. Right. So I'll make sure that from here to there I have 2 inches. Yeah, good. 2 inches it is. Then this one here needs to be 2.5 inches. All right. Now the middle one, that's one they need to be half an inch as the radius. That is good. Now that I have that, I'm gonna come here and go for rectangle. My rectangle will go like this, okay, and this other one will also come like this, right? Good. Now this one needs to be 1.25 inches, right? And from there to there I need to have half of it, which is 6.25 inches. Now I have it both sides. So now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna come on to the model. I'm gonna click on extrude. I'm going to extrude that part as well as that one by half an inch. So, 5. Then plus, I'm going to extrude now this part here by 1.625. Okay, then I say okay, now that I have that, I'm gonna come there. You see that part highlighted. I'm gonna right click on my mouth and then say new sketch. Okay, then I'm gonna come with a circle. There is my circle, and that one needs to be half an inch, diameter, and middle of this one, so that will be 0.625 inches, and from there to there I want it to be 1 inch. That is good. Okay, we can turn it like that. Let's go like this. Come on, man. Now I'm gonna come on 3D model. I'm gonna click on extrude. I'm going to cut that one now. This side, there it goes. And then I say okay. Now I'm going to create a fillet there and here, and that one need to be 625. Right, I say okay. Now you have your coupling base. The next thing that you want now is to give the material. So what should the material be here? You're gonna come there and select a material, so we can go with carbon steel. There it is. It was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. See you on the next video. Bye.